Alright, so we're going to be changing this intake manifold. You can tell down here right under the oil galley on these, you got to watch out for that seal right there leaking. And it's obviously been leaking oil there for a little while. And we're going to be changing those gaskets. And we're going to be getting rid of a fatal flaw of these intake manifolds. The fatal flaw is the hole isn't big enough right here where the carburetor goes. It's not big enough to let enough air go into it to make more power. So we're going to be upgrading that hole, make it a little bigger. Get rid of this is an EGR valve here. It probably hasn't worked in years and probably a bunch of carbon and junk built up in it. We're going to be deleting that. A lot of these vacuum lines going to your vapor canister, they're going to be gone. So we're going to simplify this motor quite a bit. As you can see, I got my new valve covers on. You can't hardly get the original valve covers a lot of times to seal back up. I'll see if I can show you some of this. You can tell it's been kind of hard to tell on video, but the flanges are not all that flat anymore. They've been pried up on the ends and stuff over the years, and so and these aren't even matching valve covers. They're not even the same color or anything, so who knows what the history of that was. But I thought those valve covers looked pretty neat, you know, kind of too clean on this old ugly motor, but better than that what was there. Alright, well, I'll get to this and we'll show you the end of it when we're done. Alright, so we got the 4-barrel upgrade done. Got it all just about tuned out, I think. Seems to be running pretty good. Put a low car kick down lever on it. It's not a low car, it's actually Chinese knockoff. It's way cheap on Amazon. We'll see how it works. Hopefully it works better. That factory kick down lever is very hard to get to work on these 4-barrel aftermarket intakes, but those 2 bolts back there on the very back will eat your lunch. They are hard to get to, the 2 at the very back. So hopefully that'll have it up and running a little better. Thanks for watching.